Okay, let's go over a combination of Knuckles and Chainsaw Man, kind of merged as one person or one being. So let's get started. Gonna go over here and draw the side of Knuckles' face first. Okay, this is easy, by the way. Stay to the very end. Super short. Let's get going. Gonna go down here for Knuckles' brow. Gonna pull out in right here for kind of the rest of that brow on the lower part. Down over here, pull up, out over here, down, curve for kind of the top of Knuckles' mouth. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification to go over how to draw anything, and I also go over kind of these cool, fun drawings, like these mixture drawings. Curve for the eye right there, he's looking forward. Circle right here for the highlight, fill it in. Gonna go over here to the edge of the nose, and it's gonna be pointed at the edge right there. Line over there, find the edge of that nose and fill that in. Down here, curve back, line right here. So you got the mouth right there. Real simple, just kind of sitting right there like that. He's got an attitude. Yep, sideways line. Curve it right here for the back. Gonna show that like mushing together of his cheek. Gonna go over here and find his first, I don't know what you call it, like dreadlock or something. Pulling up that spike. Down over here, spike up. One more. Pull up over here, and he's got a pretty high skull. That is a very big thing with him. Curve back. Right on. Down over here just a little bit. Curve for the chest. Line up. Line up. And now we're going to have the chainsaw sticking out of his face, just like over there. Kind of goes over here, yay, mouth level. Pull out. Go over here. Curve around. And I'm going to pull back over here, kind of around the center of his forehead. Gonna throw that shape again. Just kind of like that. Curve. Curve inside. Pull back. Right there. Pull back over here. Line over here. Line over here. Just kind of separating these out. Just space it every now and then. You can eyeball it. You don't have to do it exactly. Nothing like that. Art ninjas. You guys are art ninjas, I think, right? Yeah. Down, 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 down. Right on. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna throw a spike straight up. Just a regular triangle. And I'm gonna space it out roughly the same amount of space that I spaced that guy out. Right there, just gonna throw it straight out as it goes down. Line over here. If you have any other mixtures that you want, if you want to combine different characters, like I don't know what, just let me know, and I'll try to make it happen for you. Just post in the comments. Or what would you call this guy? Knuckles, Chainsaw Knuckles, I guess, right? It kind of have to be that. Now I'm going to put a smaller spike right here, kind of angled out, like that. It's going to angle outward, or at least forward. One over here, over here. Over here. Keep going. Continue to kind of put the mark on it right there. Just continue. Hopefully you guys had a good time. All right. Right here. And we're going to put up a couple of scratches on that chainsaw. I want it to look like it's used. So we're going to throw thin, just random thick scratches here. Not even thick, sorry, thin. I have to be very thin. Gonna go over here now. Wobbliness, maybe some stains or something like that. Right on. Gonna throw another spike here in the back. I think he needs it. There you go. Let me throw his arm out there, like he's got his arm sticking out. Down. Curve here for the back. One last thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna draw a thick line on the outside of him. On this, most of this side. I think it's going to merge him, right? It's going to actually give him that cool sticker look. But yeah, say hi to me, by the way, in the comments section. Also, if you want like a lot of cool stuff, go to the description, or you can go to the official website at sketchingeasy.com. There's beginner lessons on that. Hopefully that stuff is relatively easy to find. So sketchingeasy.com. Go there, take a look. Gonna go over here, down. Right here. I will reply to every single comment, by the way, so try me. Like, even if you go back to an old video, I will respond to every single comment. So if you're hearing this right now, try it out. I dare ya. I dare ya. This area a little bit more ambiguous. Gonna try to figure out exactly how to put it. Maybe I'll put that one in the dark here. Maybe put this a little bit in the dark. And just a bit more here at the front. Again, I'm just kind of toying with stuff. I'm just kind of trying to give it a little bit more. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put his knuckle, his hand back here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over here. Curve. Down over here for the thumb. Curve back for the rest of the thumb. Gonna go out over here. Down. Curve here for kind of one knuckle area. Curve over here. Pull back. Down over here. Gonna have the fold downward, curve in, line. He's gonna curve, he's folding his hand. Line over here. Line over here. Line right there. And that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing, and hopefully I will see you next time in the comments. Like I said, subscribe, and I want you to let me know what you want. What is it you want? Is there something you want to like learn how to draw? Let me know, and I'm going to go through them. I actually do draw a lot of your suggestions, almost all of them. So suggest a couple of things, and I'm going to try to make it happen. And yeah, reach out to me, say hi, say what's up, say how's it going, and I will reply back to every single comment, like I said a bunch of times. Check out the links in the description. There's a free face drawing lesson, I think, in the links. If you go to my Gumroad, just check out the links below. There's a lot of cool stuff in there. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, okay? Later.